Good morning, good afternoon, and in case I don't see you, good evening. This is your flexitarian friend, Tanti. I'm going to show you how to clean your skillets. I know some of you have made comments, oh, your skillet looks so bright, so shiny, because some of the cookware that after you wash, this is what it looks like. Check it out. See, it looks like food still in it, okay? And to me, that looks very nasty, even though somebody cleaned it. I'm not gonna say who. Check this out. And to tell you the truth, I don't like it when I see my cookware not shiny. So that's two. How about this one? Ooh, wow, does that look clean to you? No, it doesn't look clean, but you know what? I don't like to complain to whoever does the dishes here. I just basically take care of it myself. Would you like to see how to do it? Okay, this is how we do it. After the pan has been washed, so when I wash my pans, I use soap and water and a little sponge. Okay, so what happens if, somebody washed it and then just after they made eggs or after they made beans, I can feel if this is not properly washed. I can still feel some stuff in there. So what you do is, it's simple. Take some white vinegar. You recognize this? White vinegar. Any white vinegar, no flavor vinegar. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here. And this is no trick. So the key is after you wash the pan and it looks like this, you want to make sure that you put a little bit of vinegar in there. Another technique. Okay. This is the one pan with all the crud, right? So we want to make sure that it's really in there. Okay. And this pan, I can tell you, it wasn't properly cleaned. Okay. So whoever washed it did a poor job. Okay, so we'll do this. So just leave it for a second. What about this one? Okay, this one feels like it still have food in it. How about this one that is this color? It looks clean, but you can see over here all the discoloration. That means from food. So we're gonna do the same thing. That's number two. So you still see the pan right here? Nobody's taking it. Okay, that's number two. Okay, and what about this one? This one's got all this junk right there. You can see right here. It looks pretty filthy to me. I always tell my husband, the definition of clean between other people and myself is completely different. So if you think that your pants are clean and they look like this, that means that you have not done your job taking care of it. And vinegar is very corrosive, just to let you know. So that's why it's important that after you put the vinegar, that you wash it again. So okay, I'm gonna put this one right here, this one right here. Let's begin with the first one. Remember the first one that looked like it had a lot of junk? So what you do now is you're gonna clean it up with a paper towel, or if not paper towel, you can use a cloth. Look at that, I have a little rinse cloth. Okay, there you go, look at how cute. Oh yes, it is cute. Okay, now I want to show you the difference. And then this pan is ready to be washed. And then to tell you the truth, I don't think this pan was washed very good to begin with, because I could actually feel a little bit of the food in there. Okay, so whoever washed it did a very bad job. Okay, but check it out though. Look at the difference. See? But this pan now is gonna be washed. You can throw it in the dishwasher or you can wash it by hand. How about this one? The second one. Okay? And I don't do this every day or every time. The time that I do it is basically if I cook something that will stain, like beans, sometimes rice. So, but the key is, if you see it that leaves a little bit of like discoloring on the pan, just throw in a little bit of vinegar and you're done. So check this out. Look at how gorgeous. What was that? What was that? Yes, gorgeous. Gorgeous, just like you. Okay, so that's number two. And how about this one? Remember, this one still kind of feels like it has food in there. So if it has food in there, just simply with a paper towel, wash it, scrape it, or you can use like a little, one of those blue sponges, and here you go. my friends. Now, because like I said, this vinegar is corrosive, then you want to make sure that you wash it with soap and water so it doesn't stay there and create pits. So for me, I'm gonna throw these in the dishwasher, or I'm going to wash them by hand, clean them up, and there you go. Check that out. Do you like that? Huh? What did you say? Yeah, you love it, right? How about this little thing? It's kind of bluish on the inside. Same thing. Just stay it a little wet. If it's washed really good, but it's still a little bit bluing. And believe me, this is not because you didn't wash this pan really good. This one's washed very good. The reason why it's bluing is because certain foods will leave a stain. Okay, so that's done. How long did that take me? Look at this. Gorgeous. Look at that. Shiny. You can do the same thing. You can do it on the outside. Okay? And the reason why your pans will stain on the bottom is because your stove is not clean. So you have to clean your stove. Okay? And sometimes my stove is not clean, you know? So, you know, I want to make sure, if you want to shine my pans, after I wash it, I polish it with a little bit of white vinegar, and then I throw them in the dishwasher or wash them again. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't she lovely? So this is what it means to have something that is made in the USA with lifetime warranty. Why would anybody in the world, in their mind, will give you a lifetime warranty on your cookware if they didn't think that is the very best? Saladmaster is the very best and made in the USA. Thank you for watching. God bless you. God bless us all. Until then, have a happy, healthy, and wealthy day. Ciao. Look at all my pans. They're shiny just like you.